Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel today. Today we are going to be checking out the latest video editing software, that's VN Editor, and why it's becoming a game changer for creators in 2025. Yes, so whether you want to edit your YouTube videos, TikTok or Instagram, VN Editor will help you to do that. Yes, for creating cinematic transition, text and music. Yes, and everything there is free. Yes, it is free. It is free on your phone. So now let's dive right in. So the first thing we're going to look at is to open the app. This is the VN app. Yes, this is the VN app. Yes. So VN is lighter weighted, powerful, and also beginner friendly. Yes. So it supports 4K exports, keyframe animation, and other things. So now let's open it. So before you can use this particular app, what you're going to do is to tap on the plus sign here. Yes. This is the log in, so you can create an account and log in and also come back home, then create what new projects here. So it said project remaining quality, number of projects used. So we can create 100 projects in this particular application. Yes, I'll say the free version of VN allow you to store up to 100 projects and includes the number of projects in the trash. Yes, subscribe to Flow Pro to unlock and debate the number of what projects. So now let's tap on OK. So now what you're going to do next is we have edit photo, beat clip, create templates, overlay and stories. Yes, we can edit your photo here. Yes, so you select the photo, I zoom in. I want to edit this particular photo. All right, let me choose one from here. Okay, let me choose this picture. All right, so I have selected this picture. Now it will lead us to this place. So what are we going to do? So assuming we want to add a picture or we want to increase the brightness of this particular picture, just move to this place. Yes, just move to adjust, then you come to contrast. Yes, then you add something to it. Yes, you add something to it. Yes, so brightness, you can also add something to it. Yes, I hope you get it clear. Yes, this is how it's being done here. So resolution or can also adjust. Yes, so when you finish, then you tap on correct. Yes, so we're done with everything here. So we can also add text. Yes, add text. We have so many templates here that you can even use to add text to your picture. So assuming you want to type here Madam Ness. Yes, so we can tap increase the Madam Ness size. Yes, that's the picture size. Yes, you can also tap here to change the template of the picture. Yes, so this is how it goes. Yes, we can also change the background or even crop the picture. Yes, this is the picture, so you can crop it here. Yes, something like this. Yes, so this is how this particular app works in editing photo. Yes, editing photo. So when you're done with everything, then you click on what save top here. You say save successfully, so everything there has what saved. So now let's move to how to edit videos. Now to edit videos, what you're going to do is to tap on new project. Without creating a project, you cannot use this particular application to edit your videos, being it your TikTok videos or YouTube videos. Yes, so you have to create a project that's video basis, your videos, and also music base. Yes, so just create a project. That's the most important thing here. All right, so you tap on save. Now after tapping on save, let's zoom in. We have videos here. Let me choose one video from my gallery and let's check it out. Okay, so all right, so now me choose this video. It seems I have a video here. All right, so this video, yes, so I've selected it. You can also choose so many templates from here. When you check this place, this one is default. Yes, it is picture background, that's white and black. Yes, but if you have video, you can do that. So now let's upload our video. So now our video has been uploaded. So what we are going to do is to tap on it. Now it has opened a new thing for us. Yes, a new thing for us. Yes, so now the first place here is about music. Yes, where we can add music to our video, where we can also add a sound to our video. Yes, a sound. It can be a cartoon sound, it can be a funny clips, it can anything. Yes, just a sound. Yes, so you have to record here, music here, and what sound effects here. So when you tap on sound effects, they are going to allow you to add some of the cartoon sound here, maybe explode, sparkle, pops, smoosh, like so many things. I hope it gets clear. Let me tap on one so that you experience it yourself. All right, so now let me choose this weather. Okay, let me choose thunderstorm. Yes. So you can even add one. So now let's add something here. Okay, so I've added this one. Here, there's a sound. Yes. So now this is the second one. Now the second one is adding a text towards a video. Adding a text to a video. So the SRT file means you can even download a text template from different sites and also upload it here to use it. And the text title here means you can add any text to your video. So when you look at this page, say tap text to add what to page. Yes, it is simple. So when you tap add it to heading, it will allow you to type any text. Yes. So let me type eFootball. All right, so now when you check it down here, we have capital F and small f. Yes, so when you check down here, we have capital F and small f. Now what this means is you can even change the font type. Yes, the font type of this particular text. So now let's choose a different font type for the text. All right, so now I've choose. So when you check here, we have so many different font types. Yes. So what you prefer, then you just choose it. Yes, so that's all. So the next one means to increase the font size or decrease the font size. This next one. Yes. So yes, here is it. So you can increase it and also decrease it. Yes. So this is how it goes. Now the next one is to change the font color. Yes, the font color. That's the next one. So we can change the font color. I hope you get it clear. Yes, so if I want any color that I want to change it to, I can do it here without any complicated steps. Yes. So this is how it's been done here. We can also change the template of the text. Yes, you can also change it like this. You can also choose something here, something that about. Yes, this is how it works here. Now the next one is alignment. So when you tap on it, yes, you can also change. So left align, right align. So I hope you get it clear. You can even bold it. Yes. Now the next one is also spacing. Now, yes, I hope you get it clear. So when I try to increase the letter spacing, the eFootball also starts to increase. Yes, space has been generated through the letters. Yes. So this is how it is. It is simple. Yes, spacing. It allows you to create space between letters. Yes, it is simple and does not require any complicated step. So when you're done with everything, then you tap on correct. That's all. So this is how to add text to VN editor. Now the next one here is adding an image or importing a video there. So when you talk about the elements here, allows you to add any object, yes, aside from the video. So now let's tap on objects here. So now when we tap on objects here, our data is not on. That's why we are not having the objects here. All right, so now let's move to adding of photos. So now we can add any picture here. Let me add this picture. All right, so we can also increase the picture and also decrease it. So let me bring this one down here. All right, let me bring it down here. All right, so I have it here now. So this is how to bring or overlay a picture in VN video editor. So the next one is also creating a clip. Yes, adding a video that's overlaid video. Yes, you can also choose any video from this place and add it to it. It is simple and does not require any complicated step. Now let's look at down here the first one. That is the filter. It allows you to add different color grading here to your video. Yes, so you see as I tap on it, the main clip also changed. Yes, the color grading also changed to different thing. Yes, so when you are finished, then you tap on correct. That's all. Now the trim here allows you to trim the video. Yes, the size of the video to allow you to trim everything here. Yes, you see how it is. It is simple and does not require any complicated step. So it allows you to trim a video. Yes, trim a video in this particular app. Yes.
What a fantastic game from those players. What unity, what joy.
That
was so very good.
Yes, that's how it is. Now we have the next, which is FS. The FS allow you to change a certain things. Yes. So look at how it is. Look at how it works. So now we have blur. Let's tap on blur. You see,
Diversity.
the
What
clip
a
has been
fantastic
blurred. Yes, the clip has been blurred. Let's tap on
diversity.
2s2.
What a
I hope you get
fantastic
it.
game
Yes, this is
from
how
those players.
it
What
is.
unity,
So now,
what
when you
joy.
finish, tap on done. So now let's play it and let's see.
Diversity. What a fantastic game from those players. What unity, what joy. That was
Good. Okay, so this is how it is. So the next here is split. So the splits allow you to divide a video in a timeline. So now, assuming this place, I want to tap on split, it's going to divide this timeline into two. So you see, yes. So you see, as soon as I tap on click, split, the timeline has been divided into two. Yes. So this is how it is. It is simple and does not require any complicated step in VN editor. Now let's continue. So now we call something auto caption. That's this place. When you tap on it, it's going to allow you to generate a caption for your video. Yes, only if your video is having a caption or all the words are clear to be generated for the caption, it can help you to generate the caption. Yes, that's the function of it. Yes, it is simple. It does not require any complicated step. Yes, so these are some of the features in VN editor. So in the next video, we are going to look at how to add a cinematic text and also video in VN video editor. You know, it is simple and does not require any complicated step, as I told you. Yes, so now let's watch this clip a little bit.
a very good evening.
Next time. Okay, so this is how it is. It is simple. And I really love this particular editing app because this is what I've been using to edit my videos and other things. Yes, my teases, my styles, and other things. Yes, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share. So
You've got you ready to
video, you'll be notified.